Good morning. Third sum in trapezoidal rule. Using trapezoidal rule to calculate the value of the integration 4 to 5.2 log e power x into dx, given x value 4.0, 4.2, 4.4, 4.6, 4.8, 5.0, 5.2, the corresponding y equal to log e power x 1.3863, 1.4351, 1.4816, 1.5260, 1.5686, 1.6094 and 1.6486. Now to compare it with the exact value. Now to using trapezoidal rule, that result compare with the exact integration value of this result. Okay, here this is for, we can start with the y0. This is for y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. Using trapezoidal rule, now the formula for trapezoidal rule formula, integration a to b y into dx equal to h divided by 2 within bracket a plus 2b. Here a value where a equals sum of the first and last ordinates. Here the sum of the first and the last ordinate y0 plus y6. Okay, now y0 value 1.3863 plus y6 value 1.6486. now add these two, that result 3.0349. A value a equal to 3.0349. This is a value. Next, to find out b value, the b value sum of the remaining ordinates. We have to add y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. B equal sum of the remaining ordinates y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. y1 1.4351, y2 1.4816, y3 1.5260, y4 1.5686 plus y5 1.6094. This is for y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. Now add all the y 7.6207. This is for B value. A and B value substitute in formula integration 4 and upper limit 5.2 log e power x into dx equal to h divided by 2 within bracket a plus 2b. H value intervals between 2 x. Here h 0.2, h value 4, 4.2, 4.4, 4.6. Now the intervals between 2 x value, that is 0.2 divided by 2 within bracket a value 3.0349 plus 2 into b value 7.6207. Now divide these two, result 0.1 into this is for 3.0349 plus, now to multiply these two, result 15.2414. Now add these two, 0.1 into add these two, result 18.2763, 2.7363, and final result integration 4 and upper limit 5.2 log e power x into dx equal to, now to multiply these two, result 1.8276. This is the final result. And this, now to compare with the exact integration result with by using the numerical integration result. Integration 4, this is for 5.2 log e power x into dx. Now to integrate this one with respect to x. Now x log e power x minus x. This is the integration of log e power x into dx. Now substitute the limit 5.2 and this is for 4. X value 5.2 log e power 5.2 minus 5.2. Next to substitute the lower limit minus 4 log e power 4, and here minus will be changed plus. Now to simplify this one, this is for 5.2 and log e power 5.2, we have to take the in calculator ln log, or now this result 1.6487 and subtract with this one, and finally we can get 5.2 into 1.6487 minus 4 into log e power 4, that result add with the 4, we can get the Result 1.3863 minus 1.2. Now multiply these two. 8.5732 minus and multiply this one and subtract with 1.2. We can get the result 6.7452 and finally we can get the result 1.8280. Now this result compare with this one. This is for exact integration result. This is for numerical integration by using trapezoidal rule. The both results are approximately equal. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.